Kalong Kapili ka kanhun ka batre na kabantaban kentiu ya ka kam rep kam riang ka kam rijingri bat kilat yo kam yo jam ki bayaine bat ki bayade bat kamariang kalasdang ya ka project tribal resilience initiative for building environmental sustainability livelihood ha ka than marngar ka bahap hapo ka umling siana di block haribhoi district menta ka sngi ka khatsan trik ujeliu kane ka project kalong ka jingkur khu ka bakraw ya ki nongrep bat ki nongri do kha ha ka te ka than ya kane ka project la kyrshan bat beitengka da National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Regional Office Meghalaya but on pentre kam ya ka Kalong Kapili na ka banta ka samoy sansnem ha ka jinglut ka bakot sya ka shiklur saw pho lak tangka kumba aspa ngut ki nongrep bat ki nongri dok ha kinyo jingmentoy na kane ka project ya kane ka project lawan ben plipai ba do ba meral bonds im MLA ka nongpo constituency kumukongsan ha kane ka sngi la samru iki sembai dok ha ki jingbam dok ha ki shun bat ki sembai kwai riu hadem bat sotrun sya ki nongyo jingmentoy jong kane ka project.
First of all, this is a tribal resilience livelihood project, TRIBES project under the NABARD. So the implementing agency is Ka Kalong Kapili, our organization. So basically there are 200 beneficiary. Okay. So what will happen? They have ponds in their home. So inside that pond, they will culture fish, and the sides of the dikes will be used for horticulture. And mainly it will be consisting of one pineapple. Okay, the other side will be maize, erica nut, and one is kitchen garden. So this is a 5-year project. So in 2 clusters we have divided 16 total. There are total 16 villages. So we have divided in 2 clusters. The first cluster will be for the first year. 100 beneficiaries will be getting the inputs. So today was the launching program. This entire program is the launching program. So today we will be distributing the seeds, feed, lime, fertilizers, as well as the horticulture saplings to the farmers.
Correct. This was funded by the NABARD and under the Tribal Development Project, which is beforely known as TDF project, and now it is a TRIBES program. And we both are currently working on this integrated fisheries sector. Not only to develop the fisheries but also to know about the horticultural benefits of the plants, and then all the integrated approaches. What are these things? So these kind of projects are being funded by the NABARD agency for the development of the not only the individual farmers but for all the communities, which will further gain their knowledge and equipments with all these things, and they will not only train themselves but also the village persons. So this is tribal resilience sustainable development project, and for this kind of project we basically focusing on the climate resilience, particularly for this global concern. So this is what we are doing now. And currently MLA sir of Nongpo constituency, he has been chaired by he was the chairman of the program, and the NABARD personnel was also there, Department of Fisheries, Government of Meghalaya, then implementing agency Ka Kalong Kapili's director, deputy director, and all the staffs were present. We both are from the fisheries background, fisheries postgraduates, and we are currently helping and also the coordinators of the project. So this is what is basically the program consists of. Okay, thank you so much.
Health and livelihood agriculture, horticulture, irrigation kami di dalam negara sokar dan lain. Film di bawah kau itu kata kita. Bah nagalian jauh ke NGO, nagalian jauh ke NABARD, ke fund, ke projek, legit ke fund. Nanti bahani kalau sipur di nangret, kibala laut expert kami kamri nota. Bah gobirnya, bah sistemnya, ibu kerang bahani gobun, bila apa saja. Bila dia lupa expert, bila tip, kumno kalau kamri nota, ayah bapa ni. Yang tadi yang iyo susu ini tinggal, kumana lain susu, ia kita terpeng di kongkong kilar, kumno tu hanya dia tu, bah ayah sampai ayah bukan terter ni, bah orang bakar bes terkeren, panggil ayah pai tak bukan terter. Kalau hamba ayah kalau berbenah ni, berbendi, atau kongkong dia iyo bukan. Dengan kata inti nanti sempat dengan keren kira pak ni, bah kakak yang konsum ke dunia ke dokter But bagi penmi kami ada. Jadi hanya kelapar atau in the whole state, consume is more, production is less. More than 60 to 65% is still depending on the fish supply from outside the state. Kita depend dengan syariah yang kita harus supply. Way di jalan, terus pokok ke jalan itu nama balik, baru nimpak lah dan penmi. Akan mau di dok lokal kita ni bahkan dia apa suatu. Ini pula nampung apa? Nampung di lawan sini beribu. Dan orang 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 memang orang itu miok ni. Kemudian kita mau di nampung per itu. Alailah kemudian masuk poin itu masuk poin itu. Ni kuat begini miok juga dengan orang. Anak buah yang lain keren, dia keren di lokal. Tak kuat. Laju keren yang digerakkan dia. Awak nanti juga di lokal sebelum palang. Nomor 2 di gedut mesti. Aku ada bagi. Yo di shadow mesti air di ibu batuta hotel. Ndreng lah beliau di gedut mesti. Anda yang punya yang apa? Ndak beri mesti. Sorkar ni kawan-kawan terwah dan pun terwah. Company society group, cooperative society, one cakmat dijerat ke lain nak berbentar. No one can kenapa done di menteri receive the supply gedung. Ada yang keren ya di hotel kepada nopo punya. Ada yang keren di hotel nopo gedung kyo no, jadi supply ni lah tadi jadi hanya depend dari juga dun paket ke buana. Barang ni kuat kan yo ya kan. Dun kalau biur lokal nang ni atau disebut di by produk ini. Dia tak menjadi gitu. Maka malai